Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video I'll be unboxing the Ryzen 7 5800X processor, and this processor will be going into my Ryzen 7 3080 Ti build. This processor has 8 cores, 16 threads, and it supports PCI Express 4. So here you have additional information regarding the CPU. It's based on the Zen 3 architecture and supports socket AM4. And here on the side here there's like a nice picture of the processor and says that the thermal solution is not included. Alright, and now let's go ahead and break the seal and proceed with the unboxing. This, I believe, is an instruction booklet that explains how to install the CPU. So this says that you gotta install a BIOS update in order to use a Ryzen 5000 series processor on an existing AMD system. So here is the CPU. This is the Ryzen 7 processor, and above you have a logo that you can stick on your computer case. This comes to the end of the video. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.